In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you 5 insanely useful tips and tricks to help you remove the clutter from your life, saving you time and energy so that you can spend it on the things that you enjoy. Let's face it, decluttering is really overwhelming and it sucks up a lot of our time and energy. It's something that we want to do, but it's really hard to tackle. And what's different about this video is that I'm going to share with you apps, services, and smart technology that will make the entire process easier. The inspiration for this decluttering video came from Marie Kondo's books and TV series, and hope that I can give you some ideas on how to spark joy from the items you treasure. My name is Kavita Bachnight, and this is the Match Health YouTube channel. Spark joy through old photos. Many of us have a lot of these old, beautiful photos tucked away in the back of our closets or up in an attic, but the question is not only how do you turn those images into a digital form so that you can keep them forever, but more importantly, I want to talk to you and give you ideas of how you can take those memories and those awesome experiences and turn them into beautiful pieces of artwork that you can showcase around your house. The best way to turn a photo into a digital memory is to use some type of scanning method. The thing is that if you were to do that on your own, it could take days and weeks, and so what I recommend is using a photo scanning service. To get a good deal, I typically search Groupon before I make this type of purchase. Type in photo scanning and see what you get for your area. I used legacybox.com to scan all of my photos and invested in the 20-item closet deal, and used it as an opportunity to convert not just my old photos, but old VHS tapes and cassette tapes as well. Once you sign up for the service, they'll typically send you a box in the mail and ask you to organize your photos into groups. And this is a really good opportunity to help bring organization to your photos. It forces you to categorize them, maybe by events or dates, and by grouping them, they then usually will give you some type of sticker or barcode to apply to each of those groups. You then send all those photos back, and then within weeks you will get back a DVD that has all of those photos now in a digital image form. Here is life after I digitized all of my old family photos. We now have beautiful vintage old black and white photos of our family around our house. To me, this is artwork that sparks joy in my life. Each photo has so much meaning to me and is a reflection of our rich heritage. Here is one of my favorite places in my house. It is our travel wall in the kitchen. You can see how much we love to travel and find this a great conversation starter with people who come over, and such an awesome way for my kids to remember our adventures together. I recommend these picture boxes to store the old photos you decide to keep. I love the separate boxes to be able to categorize my pictures. You can find these on Amazon in different sizes and colors based on your needs. Just check out the link below this video. Spark joy through a new way to organize. In my opinion, the best filing system that's currently available today is called Evernote, and it's a cloud service that has really changed my life because it's, in my mind, basically extra storage. It's extra brain space so that I can organize all of my thoughts in the offline world as well as my online world and pull it all together so that it's all in one spot. And it's something that I can access at any time, anywhere, whether it's on my computer, whether it's on my phone. I just love this particular service. Let me walk you through an example of how I used Evernote to help spark joy in my life. Basically, I love parties, I really enjoy tea, and I'm always trying to find a way to celebrate something. So I decided to throw a tea party for my birthday. And what that meant was that I had a bunch of things that I was trying to organize. And let me show you how Evernote helped pull this whole tea party together. Step 1, I created a notebook in Evernote for my tea party to put any possible note I could related to this party in one place. Step 2, I looked up a template on Evernote to find a good to-do list for party planning. Why recreate the wheel when I can use something already made and just modify it? Step 3, I searched the web for food ideas and came upon some great tea sandwich recipes. So I simply used the web clipping function and then saved it to my tea party notebook. Step 4, I created a menu and a grocery list full of finger foods and bite-sized desserts. I was able to access my list on the app when I was at the store. This was my Ina Garten Barefoot Contessa moment. I love her show. Step 5, I wanted to have the perfect decorations for my table setting, so I found a simple YouTube video to show me how to fold cloth napkins. Let's save it to, you guessed it, the Evernote Tea Party Notebook. Clearly Evernote is great for event planning, but it's beyond that. It's something that I literally use to manage so many different parts of our lives. Everything from my children's activities to medical information. It literally houses all sorts of things that relate to my daily activities, and it's really helped just make me feel more on top of things. I feel certainly more organized in my day-to-day world, and I just feel like if I need anything, I don't have to remember. It's in Evernote. If I have to access something when I'm out and about at the store, filling out a form in the dealership or at my child's school, I have all that information in one spot, whether I'm on my computer, whether I'm on an app, and it just gives me a sense of relief. So I'm not overwhelmed, I feel like I'm on top of it, I'm more in control, and I feel more organized. Spark joy by turning artwork into forever treasures. When it comes to our children's artwork, we want to be able to keep all of it and showcase it, but let's face it, it can really add up to be a lot of clutter over time. But how do you go about trying to save and keep those pieces of artwork as a lasting memory without having it be a ton of clutter? Archive is a fabulous service that takes all of your child's artwork and turns it into a beautiful hardcover book, eliminating all of the clutter and turning masterpieces into memorable keepsakes. Personally, I don't even think you have to limit using a service like Archive just for your children's artwork. There are so many keepsakes that I think many of us keep over time, whether that's important notes or poems or even artwork that you've done yourself. I think this is a great opportunity to create a memory book for yourself, allowing you to enjoy sparks of joy from your past with the special keepsakes you treasure. A good friend of mine told me about these awesome folders on Amazon, and I have to say they're inexpensive and a perfect way to hold on to some key pieces of kids' artwork as well as other keepsakes. Spark joy by going paperless. If you really are committed to reducing the amount of paper clutter in your life, then it's important that you invest in a good scanner. And I have a great option for you. It's called Cam Scanner. And it is basically like having a scanner in your pocket. I first take a quick picture of a document, and then Cam Scanner gives me the tools to trim and auto-enhance the image. I can easily create a PDF, and the app provides multiple ways to share documents. You can also fax your scans, and it eliminates the need for a fax machine. If you want something more than this app, then I have done the research for you. I have, in the comment section below, given you some recommendations for a good all-in-one printer that includes a scanner. I've included a great option for a desktop scanner as well as a mobile scanner. So be sure to check out the comment section below if you're in the market for something more than what this app can provide. Spark joy by saying goodbye to junk mail. Junk mail creates endless amounts of clutter, wastes our time sorting through it, and creates unwanted stress. And not to mention, it's horrible on our environment. Now there's a really quick and easy way to help get rid of all of your junk mail with a simple app called Paper Karma. You simply download this app and start taking pictures of junk mail you don't want anymore. Take this catalog, for instance, which I love, but I already get it in email from them, so I don't want the added clutter or to waste the paper. So I just take a picture of it and then voila! Paper Karma will do the work for you. You can trial Paper Karma for free and try it on a few items, and then you will be prompted to either pay $1.99 per month or $19.99 for the year. Another option is to register on the Direct Marketing Association's consumer website, dmachoice.org. Once you log in, you will pay a $2 processing fee, and for a 10-year period, you can be free of most junk mail. Thank you, Marie Kondo, for inspiring me to declutter my home and helping me create spaces that spark joy. I hope that you found this video to be useful and walk away with some useful tips and tricks to make the whole decluttering process a lot easier and faster. I'm always searching for new ideas and ways to be more efficient. So please share in the comment section below your favorite tip or trick that helps make decluttering easier and faster. Be sure to subscribe now.